Hi guys, this is Rick and welcome to the training video series for viral video. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the trending tag option. Okay, super powerful, and I'm super excited that you own this trending tag tab now. Okay, now once you click on this trending tag button on the left hand side menu bar, you come to this page, which is awesome, because right now what is trending on YouTube is all here. Whatever trending tags are there on YouTube right here, you can get that right now. Okay, so you get the tags, and as always you can save these tags, and you can have more details about it. So this is one cool thing for getting ideas for your videos, but we don't stop there. Now the video or the niche that you want to target, maybe you want to target weight loss, and I'm just copying a YouTube URL of the top trending a video for weight loss that we searched in the last video, which was like how does exercise impact weight loss. So that's the URL. So I'm just hitting the search button, and it's gonna give us all the tags of that video, which is like viral on YouTube already. Now you have all these tags here. You can get tags for as many videos as you want, and what you can do is you can save these tags, or you can just copy these tags and it'll get copied on a clipboard, and then you can just paste it on any of the notepad file or any document, and that is it. You just add them to your YouTube listing, or you can just straight away add them, paste them to your YouTube video listing, okay, to any of your existing YouTube listing or to your new YouTube videos. Okay, so crazy thing that you can just find tags for all the videos with just one click. Okay, so this is trending tag for you. I'm super excited to share this with you. I'm sure you would be. So now go out there, just put in the URL of any of the training video, get the tags, copy them, paste it in your videos. Simple, that's it. Okay, so now that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. See you there.